Welcome to solverfy.
Hello everyone, in this problem we are given that earthquake A has a magnitude of 8.1 on the Richter scale. At the same time, an earthquake B which has a magnitude of 4.5 which causes only a minor damage. Now we need to find the number of times more intense was the earthquake A than the earthquake B. So for that, we are going to use the formula for both the earthquake A and earthquake B. So we have MA to be equal to log of IA by I0, and for MB to be equal to log of IB by I0. So now substituting the corresponding magnitudes. So here for the earthquake A, the magnitude is 8.1 to be equal to log of IA by I0. So now taking log on both sides, so we can write this to be exponential on both sides. 10 to the power of 8.1 to be equal to IA by I0. So from this we get the value of IA to be equal to I0 multiplied by 10 the whole power 8.1. Similarly for MB, magnitude is 4.5 to be equal to log IB by I0. So from this we get the value of IB by I0 to be equal to 10 to the power 4.5, and from this we get the value of IB to be equal to I0 multiplied by 10 to the power 4.5. So now we can find its ratio. So IA by IB would be equal to, substituting its corresponding values, I0 multiplied by 10 to the power 8.1 divided by I0 multiplied by 10 to the power 4.5. So simplifying this, it would become 10 to the power of 8.1 minus of 4.5. So simplifying this, it would be 10 to the power of 3.6. And further simplifying, its value would be IA by IB to be equal to 3981.07. So from this we get the value of IA to be equal to 3981.07 of IB. So with this we can say that 3981.07 times more intense was earthquake A than earthquake B. So this is the required answer for this question. Thank you.